My name, that's not important. Who I am, I'm a writer. I write. Well, I try to write, but sometimes I can't. I have ideas, I have concepts, but sometimes I go blank. Like, I just can't anymore. Why? Just why? A blank page became the highlight and replacement of my inspiration. A single blank day turned to weeks, months. Was it laziness on my part? Did I slack behind? Or did my brain degrade? No, I don't think so. I'm creative. I'm smart. I'm talented. This is all the process. My mind is processing. So I won't give up. I can't give up. Because just like that, it comes. An idea. A thought. An inspiration. It flows back in. And the sledgehammer breaks the block.